Get through the fence, you goofball.
Bobby. Dancing, dancing.
Will learn feathers to be black and white than tail, and females will be grey. Like for example, this part here, yeah, we only have some. I think there are three males. This one, yeah, this one, that one, yeah, there's another one there. That's the remaining ones are females. And as they grow, when there will be 3 years, now the same male, they will turn the skin, they will be.
So this is a male, young.
Yeah. Because they turn into big. They all
Ooh, that one got a bad scar.
So do they lose this fur and then turn
No.
pinkish? Or
No.
the fur turns pink?
No, actually the feathers, the fur on the neck,
Yeah.
will fade off.
Yeah, it fades off, then it turns pinkish.
You see how they're pecking?
Yeah.
Raised him and he went up.
I got no words to say.
Look at him right here to see you. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
6. And here comes the 7th.
Iko na vidole mbili tu.
Yeah, that's
Do they think we're
I have
gonna?
a farmer here.
Sijaiona ostrich.
I have a farmer here. Who's taking care of it.
Do they think we're gonna feed them? Is that why they're pecking?
Pecking is their habit, but still, we used to feed them using this leaf. Yeah, let me give you some.
And this one has a scar on this one.
Yeah. Broke
Maybe they were fighting. Broken.
Well, look at that one's leg.
Yeah.
Just on the leaves family, then feed them.
Hold it firmly. Don't let him take it. Stick it through the fence, you goofball. Like they're not gonna.
Ooh.
You're big.
Amazing.
I've taken a picture of you feeding them.
Nimeenda tu
Ah, we got blood around over here.
Yeah.
actually tukiwa tunakuja kuandika hawana shida.
Yeah.
The problem comes in when you like to take the egg.
Oh, and
The problem is when you want to take the egg.
The egg.
so how do you guys manage to take
now,
those eggs?
personally, I can just come and collect the egg. You must come in a group of 3 people.
Yeah.
So that the 2 people
Distract the one.
distracts the male. In the process, the male chases them. One person sneaks in and collects the egg. No, we've paddocks there where they are.
Yeah.
We have each paddock with at least 4 birds.
Yeah.
So
4 bites.
once you just sneaked in and collected the egg,
Yeah.
you can't do anything to you. You will be out and it will be in.
So the male is very protective of the egg.
Sure.
And what about the females?
Females after laying the egg, they don't have any problem with that. They just
But they're sitting on it.
actually it's the males that sits on the egg.
The male.
Male?
Mostly the males are the ones
Ma-
sitting on the egg.
Ah,
Oh, no wonder he's so protective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not gonna steal my.
That is a big one.
You're not gonna steal my baby. So how many ostriches do you have here?
Sorry?
How many ostriches do you have here?
We have over 600 of them.
Look at that one running.
Yeah.
Now these are adults, 12 years old. The grey ones are females and the black ones are males. At least 3 females and 1 male per dog.
3
Females and 1 male.
to 1.
Yeah.
Is that because the jiggy jiggy?
Not really, but just they need to play down.
Whether she's with the male or not.
It has got they have like chicken the internal fertilization. So after they have mate, so just wait for the egg. So after every 2 days when they start laying, so after every 2 days, in 3 consecutive months, you will just be collecting eggs.
3 consecutive months.
Yeah, 3
Then after
consecutive months.
that, they stop.
So every
As
day?
them on the heat, they want
Not
to...
every day. After every 2 days.
Every 2 days, eh?
Yeah, after every 2
Wow.
days.
Every other day,
Yeah.
they make that big heavy egg.
Yeah.
So it's like they take a whole day making the egg and
Yes.
they lay it tomorrow.
And
So are they in egg laying season now?
I not yet started. We expect it to start in July.
Okay.
and in a staying for how long?
Wakiendelea kutaga
July, August, September.
Life yake,
lifespan
lifetime.
40 years.
40 years.
Yes, 40 years.
Lifespan of 40 years.
Huh? Life start at 40.
Yeah. Now at Masai Ostrich Farm, we have 2 breeds of ostriches.
Yeah.
Masai breed and Somali breed. Masai breed, the males are pink bodied, the ones you are seeing here. Then we also have a Somali breed, which the males are bluish. At our back here,
This is a Somali.
Now Somali.
Oh.
The neck and the body,
Look at this.
apart from the legs and the beak.
Sasa ni Somali breed, eh?
Somali breed.
Wow. Samsi akachinja hiye anaweza amua ni kama kang'ombe hivi.
Yeah, tuna nyama mingi.
But that's just him and her, right? I mean, they're just a couple. No, you don't have any other.
Iko nyuma ni female.
Yeah, we iko nyuma ni female grey.
Oh.
Sasa tunaenda upande huu kwa sababu tunazunguka hivi. Tunazunguka hivi.
Well, this one's got 3. This one's got 3 girls. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. So hiyo dance iki kuna wasema
Yeah, akiona tu sura geni lazima dance. But mostly ostrich dance wakiwa on it. The male dance to attract the female.
hiyo mguu ni
Greg.
bog.
Look at this leg. There's a lot of steak.
This is Bobby the ostrich, male ostrich, dancing.
So anaitwa Bobby.
Na umemweka peke yake.
Yeah, ako peke yake, hatuwezi tukamruhusu awe na kike kwa sababu atafanya kazi yake vizuri.
Male ostrich.
Oh, ni wa kubeba.
Huyu ni wa
dancing.
kubeba.
That's how they attract females.
So yeah. Na sasa ako how old?
This is 13 years.
Ako 13 years.
13 years.
So he's hitting the back of his head every time on both sides.
And there's a sound. It's like it has water.
Not really, but ni hewa tu amekaza.
Oh,
Ni hewa tu.
just air.
Oh, amefungia
You hear
hewa.
that sound? It's like it has water in it, but he's saying that's water. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Ooh. Bobby. Dancing.
Hapa kwa kifuu unaona inakaa kama camel.
Hapo sasa pale kwa kuride kuna aturide hapa kuna mali tunaraidia sababu pale pa kuride anaenda naegemea hapo kwa kifua hivi.
Una ride. Lakini sasa inakulangwa nini miguu peke yake? Miguu na chest.
Miguu hata chest ina nyama.
Sasa unakula wapi na wapi? Miguu.
Ni hiyo thighs tu. Unajua ni kama tu kuku vile unapaswa kuku katikati hiyo. Hiyo ndo unapaswa tu.
But huku kwingine hakuna nyama hizi zinakani.
Hello, Bobby.
Sasa nyama zake ziko kwa miguu
Thank
peke
you
yake.
for the show. He's 13, huh?
Yeah, 13.
So he's like a third of his lifespan. They can go to 40.
Yeah.